Welcome to the session. In this session, we will discuss the procedure to convert the Milli machine into Moore machine with the help of examples. Let's start the session. Consider the given Milli machines. We want to convert this into Moore machine. Q1 is given as initial state and input symbol are A is 0, A is 1 and this is Milli machine because output is depending upon the state as well as on input symbol. Now we want to convert this Milli machine into Moore machine. So in the first step, we will associate output with each state using each input symbol. So with Q3, 0 output is associated. With Q1, 1 output is associated. With Q2, output 1 is associated. With Q4, 1 output is associated. With Q2, 0 output is associated. With Q4, 0 output is associated. Similarly, with Q1, 1 output is associated that we had already mentioned. With Q3, 0 output is associated that we had already mentioned. So with Q3 state, 0 output is associated. With Q1, 1 output is associated. With Q2, 0 and 1 both output is associated. And with Q4, 1 and 0 both output is associated. If more than one output is associated with this state, so we will divide that state into Q2 with 0 output, with Q2 state with 1 output. Similarly, Q4 state is divided into two states, Q4 state with 0 output, Q4 state with 1 output. So our Moore machine will look like Q2 0 with 0 output, Q2 1, Q3, Q4 0, Q4 1. So we can directly write down the output associated with these one. With Q1, we have 1 output. With Q2 0, 0 output is associated. With Q2 1, 1 output is associated. With Q3, 0 output is associated. With Q4 0, 0 output is associated. With Q4 1, 1 output is associated. Now on reading of A is 0 and A is 1. On Q1 state, if you will read A is 0, we are moving to Q3 with output 0. So we will mention it over here Q3 because Q3 is single state over here. On reading of 1, we are moving to Q2 state but with output 0. So we can mention over here Q2 with output 0 because Q2 0 and Q2 1 are different states. For filling the entry of Q2 0, we will look into Q2 rows. And under A is 0, we are moving to Q1. So we will mention Q1. Under B, we are moving to Q4 with 0 output. So we will mention Q4 0. Again, under Q2 1, we will observe the same row and these entry will come out to be the same. Under Q3, we will again observe Q2 with output 1. So we will mention Q2 1. Under 1, it is Q1. So we will mention Q1. For Q4 0, we will look into Q4 rows and Q4 with output 1. So we will mention Q4 1. Under 1, it is Q3. So we will mention Q3. For Q4 1, we will again look into Q4 state row. So again, these entry will come out to be the same. So this will be equivalent Moore machines for the given Milli machine. Given a Milli machine, we want to convert this into Moore machine. So in the first step, we will observe the output with each state. So with Q1, Q2, Q3 and Q4. So with Q2, 0 output is associated. With Q2, 1 output is associated. So we will mention 1 also. With Q4, 2 output is associated. With Q4, 2 output is associated. We had already mentioned. With Q3, 0 output is associated. With Q4, 2 output is associated that we had already mentioned. With Q3, 0 output is associated that we had already mentioned. With Q4, 1 output is associated. So we will mention 1 also. So Q2 state is divided into Q2 0 that is Q2 state with 0 output and Q2 1 that is Q2 state with 1 output. Q4 state is divided into two parts with Q4 1. Q4 state with 1 output, Q4 2, Q4 state with 2 output. So our Moore machine will look like Q1, Q2, Q2 0, Q2 1, Q3, Q4 1, Q4 2. With Q1, there is no output associated. With Q20, 0 output is associated. With Q21, 1 output is associated. With Q3, 0 output is associated. With Q41, 1 output is associated. With Q42, 2 output is associated. We will mention null for Q1 because there is no output is associated with Q1. So on reading of A, on reading of B, for Q1 we will observe these entries, that is Q20, so we will mention Q20. Under B it is Q3, so Q3 we will mention over here. For Q20 we will observe Q2 row. Under A it is Q2 with 1 output, so we will mention Q21. Under B it is Q4 with 2 output, so we will mention Q42. Similarly for Q21 we will observe Q2 row, so we will get the same entries. For Q3 we will observe under A it is Q4 with 2 output, so we will mention Q42. Under B it is Q3, so Q41 we will look into Q4 rows, and under A it is Q4 with 2 output, so it is Q42. Under B it is Q4 with 1 output, so we will mention Q41. Q42 we will again look into Q4 rows and we will get the same entries. And this will be the equivalent Moore machines for the given Mealy machine. Thanks for watching this session.